The ultimate guide to crow facts, intelligence, behavior, myths. Crows are one of the world's most fascinating but misunderstood birds. Belonging to the genus Corvus, crows are part of the Corvidae family, which also includes ravens, rooks, jackdaws, and magpies. With their glossy black feathers, sharp beaks, and intelligent eyes, crows have inspired countless myths, stories, and scientific studies. These birds are found across nearly every continent, including North America, Europe, Asia, and Australia. Their adaptability has allowed them to thrive in diverse environments, from dense forests and open countryside to bustling urban landscapes. However, crows' extraordinary intelligence, intricate social structures, and singular behaviors are what make them truly extraordinary, not just because of their global distribution or physical characteristics. This article explores every aspect of the crow's life, including biological facts, feeding habits, communication, problem-solving skills, cultural symbolism, and more. Whether you're a bird lover, nature enthusiast, or curious reader, this in-depth guide will reveal the many layers of crow life and behavior. 2. Classification and species of crows. 2.1 Taxonomy. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Aves, a class order, Passeriformes. Family, Corvidae. Genus, Corvus. 2.2 Popular crow species. American crow, Corvus brachyrhynchos. Found throughout North America, this species is known for its caw-caw call and adaptability to urban areas. Carrion crow, Corvus corone. Native to Europe and parts of Asia, carrion crows are solitary and often confused with ravens due to their size. Hooded crow, Corvus cornix. Recognizable by its gray body and black head and wings, found in northern and eastern Europe. House crow, Corvus splendens. Common in South Asia and the Middle East, known for scavenging near human habitation. Jungle crow, Corvus macrorhynchos. Larger and more aggressive than other crows, they are native to South and Southeast Asia. Torresian crow, Corvus oru, found in Australia and parts of Papua New Guinea, distinguished by its white eyes. 2.3 Raven versus crow, what's the difference? While both belong to the Corvus genus, ravens are typically larger, have wedge-shaped tails, and deeper croaking calls. Crows are generally smaller, with fan-shaped tails and a higher-pitched call. 3. Physical characteristics, approximate 600 words. 3.1 Appearance. Crows typically have jet black plumage, but some species like the hooded crow display gray feathers. Their eyes are sharp and can appear either black or white depending on the species. They have strong, curved beaks suited for tearing meat, breaking nuts, or manipulating objects. 3.2 Size and weight. The majority of crows are between 40 and 53 centimeters, 16 and 21 inches, long and weigh between 300 and 600 grams, 10 and 21 ounces. Their wingspan can reach up to 1 meter, 39 inches. One of the most distinguishing traits of crows is their striking black plumage. Though this coloration can vary slightly, with some species having purplish or bluish sheens, it typically symbolizes mystery and intelligence in human culture. Each species of crow has its own distinct calls, behaviors, and preferences for habitat, despite the fact that they all share a general appearance. Because they are so intelligent and adaptable, crows have successfully colonized islands and remote regions. For example, the New Caledonian crow, Corvus monegeloides, has become a fascination for researchers studying avian intelligence due to its sophisticated tool-making abilities. 3. Anatomy and physical traits. Crows are medium to large birds, typically measuring between 40 to 60 centimeters, 16 to 24 inches, in length, with a wingspan of about 85 to 100 centimeters, 33 to 39 inches. Most species are covered in glossy black feathers, though some have gray, brown, or even white patches depending on their species and genetics. Despite their relatively unassuming appearance, crows are built for efficiency. Their strong, curved beak is one of their most versatile tools, allowing them to tear into food, dig through soil, and even shape objects. The beak structure and strength give them the capability to handle a wide variety of food types, from small insects to discarded human food. Crows also possess powerful talons and feet, which they use for gripping and manipulating objects. Their dexterity, though not as advanced as parrots, is remarkable among birds of their size and class. One of the most critical physical traits of crows is their brain. Relative to body size, crows have some of the largest brains in the bird world. Their brain-to-body ratio is similar to that of great apes and even dolphins, indicating a high level of intelligence. Within their brains, the nidopallium caudolateral, an area associated with learning and problem-solving, is especially well developed. Another fascinating feature of crows is their eyes. Crows have excellent vision, allowing them to recognize individual human faces, detect subtle environmental changes, and even judge distance with precision. Their eyes are positioned on the sides of their heads, providing them with a broad field of vision. In some experiments, crows have demonstrated the ability to remember human faces for years, showing both positive and negative associations. Crows also have a syrinx, a vocal organ unique to birds, that enables them to produce a wide range of calls, caws, and even mimic human speech. Their vocal complexity reflects their advanced communication system, which we will explore in more detail in the social behavior section. Feathers, too, are vital in their daily life. While their coloration is often interpreted as dark and ominous, crow feathers are actually iridescent, reflecting hues of purple, blue, and green under the right light. They use the remarkable world of crows. Taxonomy and species overview. Physical characteristics. Habitat and distribution. Feeding and eating habits, behavior and social structure. Intelligence and problem-solving abilities. Communication and vocalizations. Crows in culture and mythology. Relationship with humans. Research and studies on crows. Conservation status and challenges. Conclusion. 1. Introduction. Crows are among the most fascinating and intelligent birds on the planet. Crows, which are part of the family Corvidae and belong to the genus Corvus, have captivated people for centuries with their remarkable adaptability, complex behaviors, and eerie appearance in folklore. Found almost everywhere in the world except South America and Antarctica, these black-feathered birds have evolved to thrive in a variety of environments, from urban cities to remote forests. Often misunderstood and sometimes maligned, crows possess a suite of traits that make them both survivors and thinkers. From using tools to solving puzzles and recognizing individual human faces, their mental capabilities rival those of some primates. Beyond their intelligence, crows have